Publius Cornelius Tacitus Annales, Episode 13. TiberDiem Nerodronem et Claudium Drusum prevignos imperatoriis nominibus auxit, integra etiam tum domo sua. Tacitus continues, describing the measures Augustus took in order to consolidate power. He says Tiberius Nero and Claudius Drusus, who were Augustus's stepsons, with imperatorial titles, he augmented or increased. Yet this was while his own home, Domo Sua, at the time, was still intact. This portion is quite straightforward and grammatically, syntactically simple. We start out with two objects, TiberDiem Neronem and Claudium Drusum, which are both masculine singular and accusative. Of course, Tiberius is second declension, Nero, Neronis is a third declension noun. Claudius and Drusus are both second declension. These are going to be the objects of auxit. Auxit is a third singular. It is a perfect indicative active, and it comes to us from the second conjugation verb augeo, augere, which means to increase or to augment, to make larger. It is the origin for the title that Augustus gives himself, Augustus, instead of taking something like rex, which of course would have been forbidden. He takes the title Augustus or princeps. So these two words, Tiberium Nerodronem and Claudium Drusum, are the objects of auxit. We have then prevignos here, which is masculine plural and accusative, and it means stepsons. So these are the sons of his wife Livia, and they are being used in apposition to the two names. In other words, prevignos is restating Tiberium Neronem and Claudium Drusum because provignos is a noun. Then we have imperatoriis nominibus, neuter, plural, and ablative, because of course the noun nomen here, third declension, is a neuter noun. Nomen, the genitive nominis, and it is neuter. So he promoted these two individuals, his stepsons, by means of imperial titles, imperatoriis nominibus. Finally, at the end of the sentence, we have what I take to be an ablative absolute. So integra, ablative, domo, ablative, and sua. He did this even at the time, etiam tum, while his own household, domo sua, was standing or intact. So each one of these is feminine, singular, and ablative, that is integra, domo, and sua. And this noun here, domus, which is an irregular noun, is an unusual or it's a rare second declension feminine, like so. And here we have a bust of Tiberius in the Toulouse Museum. So Tiberius reigned from the death of Augustus, which was in 14 AD, until the time of his own death in 37, at which point Tiberius was replaced by Gaius Caligula.
Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.